Students, we are in circles topic. So in this video we are going to solve exercise 1E first bit and few of second third bit problems. Okay, so which are related to previous video concepts, very important concepts. So from first bit we may get 2 marks, and second bit and third bit we 99% we may get 7 marks question or related example problem from related example problems also. Okay, so first bit, first problem, discuss the relative position of the following pairs of circle. Relative position of two circles. Okay, so two circles are given. So in this total exercise, so from first bit find center and radius, and from second circle also find center and radius. Then establish the relation between those two circles, whether they touch each other, whether one side is exterior to another. So like that, write the conditions. Okay, so first compare with general equation. We will get 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to minus 12. Okay, so then g is equal to 2 minus 2, f is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to minus 12. So in this case center that is denoted with c1 minus g comma minus f. So g minus 2 minus g plus 2, f minus 3 minus f plus 3. So this is center 1, and radius 1, r1 is equal under root of g square plus f square minus c, that is g square minus 2 square plus minus 3 square minus of minus 12. So minus 2 square means 4, minus 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 plus 12. 9 plus 4 13 plus 12 root 25. So therefore r1 is equal to 5. This is given second circle. This is right, this is first circle, this is second circle. Again compare. Here 2g is equal to 6, 2f is equal to 18, c is equal to 26, g 3, 2 3s, f 9. Okay, next center c2 minus g comma minus f, that is minus 3 comma minus 9, and here radius r2 is equal to under root of g square 3 square 9, f square 81 minus 26. Okay, so radius of the second circle is 81 plus 9 90, 90 minus 26 64. So 64 root 8. So now so we got the center and radius of first circle and second circles. So extra we should find c1 c2, distance between two circles, that is let this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Then the distance between these two centers is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root of x2 minus 3, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 9 minus 3 whole square. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 5 whole square 25, minus 9 minus 3 minus 12, minus 12 whole square 144. This is 169, square root of 169 is 13. So from these two we can observe c1 c2 is 13, r1 is 5, r2 is 5, 8 plus 5 13. So c1 c2 is equal to r1 plus r2. So this indicates circles are like this. So first one smaller circle, second one larger circle, 5 8. So the distance between c1 c2 is equal to r1 plus r2. So in this case the circles touch each other externally, So like this we have to solve. Okay, Some more extra problems of first bit. Second one, x square, these two are the given circles, so solve yourself. So first circle center and radius, second circle center, radius, c1 c2, distance between these 2 points is root 41. So 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, so root 49 7, root 36 6. So root 41 means it lies between 6 and 7, that means 6 point something. R1 plus R2, 3 plus 2, 5. So this is 5, this is 6 point something, 6.5. So this value is greater than R1 plus R2. Therefore C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2. In this case, two circles are like this. One is exterior to another circle. So in second bit, first bit, second bit, first problem is same problem, but the condition is find the number of tangents. Okay, so as C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, we have two direct common tangents and two transverse common tangents. Total number of common tangents are 4. Next, this is of the standard form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, that means 3 square, this is 2 square. In this case, center 2 comma minus 1, r1 3, minus 1 3, r2 2. So then find the distance between c1 c2, that is 5, which is equal to r1 plus r2. So the circle touch externally each other. So in this case we have 3 tangents. Center of circle 1 comma minus 2 and radius is 3. Find center of the second circle and radius. C1 C2 is root 34. Root 34 means 5 square 25, 6 square 36, this is 5.8 something, just less than 36, right? So 5.8 something, which is less than 3 plus 4 7, so which is less than 7. So C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. For this we have condition modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2. R1 minus R2 3 minus 4 1, that is mod minus 1 1. So 1 less than 5.8 less than 7. So it satisfies this condition. Therefore the circles, in this case, if it satisfies this condition, circles are intersecting like this. So in this case we have two tangents. Okay, the circle intersect each other. Next, second bit, find the number of possible common tangents that exist for the following pairs of circles. So to find the number of common tangents, first of all we should establish the relation between those two circles. Okay, so we have to verify the relative position. What is the relative position of given two circles? For that, first compare with the general equation 2g minus 4, 2f minus 2, c1, g is minus 2, f is minus 1 after cutting. So in this case, center of the circle c1 is minus g comma minus f, that is 2 comma 1. Next, radius r1 is equal to under root of g square minus 2 whole square, that is 4, f square minus 1 whole square 1. Otherwise write the formula first, g square plus f square minus c under root of minus 2 square minus 1 square minus of 1. Minus 2 square 4 plus 1 minus 1, 1 cancel, root 4, therefore radius 1 is equal to 2. Next, compare, this is second circle, this is first circle. 2g minus 6, 2f minus 4, c4, g minus 3, f minus 2. Now here center of this circle c2 is 3 comma 2 minus g comma minus f. Radius r2 under root of minus 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 minus 4. So root 9, that is 3. Now find the distance between c1 and c2. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. that is 1 square 1 1, root 2 that is 1.414. Okay, so here the observation is C1 C2 is 1.414, R1 plus R2 2 plus 3 is 5, so which is less than C1 C2, which is less than mod R1 minus R2. Okay, so otherwise write the terms. R1 plus R2 is 2 plus 3 5, mod R1 minus R2 mod 2 minus 3 that is mod 1 minus 1 1, C1 C2 is 1.4. so the relationship those between those three, among those three, is mod R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R3. Okay, so in this case circles intersect each other, that means like this. So in this case we have two direct common tangents, right? So number of common tangents, how many number of common tangents in this case? Only 2. Okay, second bit already I have explained second problem. Third problem, these are the I have given hints here. So in first problem, center is 2 comma minus 1, radius is 3, find it. Second problem, second circle's center is minus 1 comma 3 and radius is 2. So find the distance between C1 C2, that is 5, which is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore in this case circle touch each other externally. We have 2 direct common tangents and 1 is transverse common tangents. So in this case also same we will get. And for this C1 minus 2 comma 3, radius 1 4, and the second circle's center is minus 2 comma 1 and radius is 1. Distance between two centers is 2. Find R1 plus R2, that is 5. So don't write C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Therefore they are intersecting lines, they are intersecting circles, that is wrong. So find R1 minus R2 also, that is modulus of R1 minus R2, that is 4 minus 1 3, and C1 C2 is less than R1 minus R2. So this condition is for one circle is completely lies inside the other circle like this. Okay, so they have no common tangent. So for each problem you should find center 1, radius 1, center and radius for two circles C1 R1, C2 R2, then C1 C2, R1 plus R2, modulus of R1 minus R2, then take decision. Okay, so in 5 conditions, which condition that problem satisfies which condition, then write the decision. Okay, third problem, find the internal center of similitude for these two circles. Okay, so internal center of similitude means the point of intersection of transverse common tangents. It lies inside the two centers C1 C2. It divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Okay, that we should find. So solution, these are given two circles. This is first circle, this is second circle, right? So for first circle same 2G6 2F minus 2 C1, G is equal to 3, F is equal to minus 1. Here 2G minus 2, 2F minus 6, C is equal to 9, G minus 1, F minus 3. So in this case center is minus G comma minus F, that is minus 3 comma 1, and the radius R1 is under root of G square plus F square minus C, G square 3 square 9, F square minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1, that is root 9 3. So R1 is equal to 3. Next center, in this case center is minus G comma minus F, that is 1 comma 3, and radius R2 is equal to under root of minus 1 whole square 1 minus 3 whole square 9 minus 9. So root 1, that is 1. Next, here no need to find C1, C2 and the relation. So directly the question is internal center of similitude. So let internal center of similitude means, okay, let us check how the circles will be. C1, C2 means under root of -3 - 1 - 4 whole square 16, 1 - 3 -2 whole square 4, 16 plus 4 root 20, and R1 plus R2 is 3 plus 1 4, R1 minus R2 is 3 minus 1 2, so this is 4.5 something. So C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, right? So therefore one circle is exterior to another circle. We should find the internal center of similitude. So this P, C1 C2, okay, C1 C2, this P, point of intersection of transverse common tangents, and here let P be the internal center of similitude. So P divides C1 C2 internally in the ratio R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2 means, what is R1 here? 3 is to R2 1, 3 is to 1. Okay, so let these are the 2 points x1 y1, and this is x2 y2, x1 y1 and x2 y2, and formula to find internal center of similitude is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, section formula. Recall section formula. So here this is m, this is n. Substitute carefully. M 3, x2 1 plus n 1, x1 minus 3 by m plus n 3 plus 1. Next m 3, y2 3, n y1 1, 3 plus 1. So 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 3 0, 0 by 4, comma 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 4. So that is 0 comma 2 5s to 2s, 0 comma 5 by 2 is the internal center of similitude. Okay. In first bit last problem, find the external center of similitude. Similar problem to previous problem. Two circles are given, find center 1, radius 1. Center and radius for second circle, that is C2 R2. Okay, here external center of similitude means this lies outside the line segment C1 C2. Okay, so Q divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Okay, so if it is divided externally, the formula is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So substitute, let us take m, n, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Substitute all the terms in this one, you will get 2 comma 6. So this is the way of finding internal center of similitude and external center of similitude. So first bit problems completed. Now I am going to explain about the pair of tangents. In the previous video I have explained s into s11 is equal to s1 square is the pair of tangents equation. Okay, combined equation of pair of tangents is s into s11 is equal to s1 square. Okay, so based on that I am going to solve this problem. Find the pair of tangents drawn from a point 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3, these are the pair of tangents, okay, to the circle, and also find the angle between them. So P 1 comma 3 be a point, and this is the circle given circle, immediately compare 2g is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 11. Okay, so pair of tangents equation, combined equation of pair of tangents is s into s11 is equal to s1 square. So this is s. Next find s11. s11 means substitute this point in this one, that is 1 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 11. So which is equal to 1 plus 9 minus 2 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 11, that is 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, this is equals to 9. So s11 is equal to 9. Next find s1. s1 means x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. So x into x1 1, y into y1 3, g is minus 1 into x plus x1 1, f 2 into y plus y1 3. Substitute all those values carefully. X into 1 x plus 3y minus x minus 1 plus 2y plus 2 3 the 6 minus 11. So x cancel, 3y plus 2y 5y minus 1 minus 11 minus 12 plus 6 minus 6. Okay, so s1 square, that is 5y minus 6 whole square, 25y square, 36, 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 30y, a plus b whole square, 5y whole square, 6 square minus 2 into 5y into 6. This is s1 square. So we got s11 and s1 square. Substitute those terms in this formula. Okay, yes, what is s? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 into 9, s11 9. s1 square is 25y square plus 36 minus 30y. Okay, bring all those terms to left side, you will get 9x square plus 9y square minus 18x, 36y, 99 minus 25y square plus 30y minus 36 is equal to 0. So finally the combined equation of pair of common tangents is 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x plus 66y minus 135 is equal to 0. Right? 4y. Okay. So here 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60. This is 60. 60y, this is 96. Okay, this is the combined equation. Now additionally it is asked that find the angle between them. So in pair of straight line equations, this is a is equal to 9, ax square plus by square, b is equal to minus 16. So angle between pair of lines, formula is theta is equal to cos inverse of mod a plus b by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So here no 2hxy, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the second order general equation. In this equation we don't have h, so h is equal to 0. There is no xy term, so there is no h term. Okay, so substitute all those here. A mod a 9 minus b 16 under root of 9 minus of minus 16 plus 16 whole square 4h square 0. Okay, next cos inverse of 9 minus 16 minus 7, apply modulus, you will get 7. 16 plus 9 25 square 625, apply root 25. So the angle between those tangents is cos inverse of 7 by 25. So find the pair of tangents means, so write the equation S, find S11, find S1 square, okay, then substitute in this one and simplify, you will get the equation. Additionally, it is asked that angle between those two lines. These are the similar problems to pair of tangents. S into S11 is equal to S1 square. So third problem, find the pair of tangents from this point to this circle. So the hints are in S into S11, the formula is S into S11 is equal to S1 square. S is this circle, S11 is 1, S1 is 4y minus 7. Find it. Already in previous slide, I have explained about pair of common tangents. Now substitute all these values in this one, you will get this equation. Check this answer. So similar problem, this one, here point is origin, substitute S11 is equal to C, S1 is equal to this one. This is the equation of the common tangents. And in this one, in previous video we observed that it is a pair of straight line, so they are mutually perpendicular. This is the condition. That means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0, which you learned in pair of straight lines chapter. So g square minus c plus f square minus c is equal to 0, you will get this condition. Next, these two problems are also similar problems, so check the hints. So in between you will get S1 as a plus b plus c form. At that time, while squaring, use this formula, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So solve carefully. Next video is very important for 7 marks. Okay, listen carefully, solve each and every problem. Thank you.